Almost got you guys. Let's see what Katie's doing in sunny, warm Florida. Bet it's better than this.
Oh, hey, where you been? Actually, it's me that's been really busy and I haven't really been able to talk to you just because basically I just work all the time. But today, we're going to Animal Kingdom. So we got Avatar Land being built over here. Check it out. Starting to hear the Animal Kingdom music. Ah boo boo boo. Ah boo 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 boo. Ah boo ah boo boo boo. Okay, well anyways, I wore my Animal Kingdom best today. I tried really hard. No, I didn't try that hard. I just kind of put this on and then I was like, wow, that looks a lot like Animal Kingdom. And then I was looking for earrings to put in and I found this Simba necklace and I was like, I need to wear that right now. Also Animal Kingdom themed. My Pocahontas magic band. Thanks to Faith, Trust and artsy stuff. My favorite. Yeah. Elisa waves and tries to get the gorilla's attentions. Just kissing at him.
I'm just put you naked there so everybody can look at you. What are you thinking? Would you wave back?
Hello. No, I do what he's doing, just stare.
People are crazy.
Oh, real hippos! Oh boy! You're about to witness the most exciting part of my day today. When I roll up the rim to win. Let's see what I got here. Please play again. I never win. I've been playing that for like 10 years and I think the most I've ever got is like one donut. But hey, whatever. The coffee's delicious and I'm gonna keep playing it because it's what I do. But yeah, that's pretty much been my day. Snow and coffee, school and work. So back to Disney World.
FaceTime with Jordan cut out, and I'm so sad.
This makes my
It says it's reconnecting. But where are you? Let's keep trying.
There you are.
Oh, there you are.
I found you.
He's back.
And I found you.
I was telling the camera how you were gone. Look at my.
disappeared.
I got a better view.
The Norway trolls came and disappeared me.
No! Disappear! Disappear! Remember when you did that to me and I got all sad? Because I didn't
Yeah.
know what it was? And you made me sad.
It was for the
The
thing.
monorail just went by me. I have 2 screens pointed at my face.
Oh yeah, you're so 21st century. You're like Xenon.
Xenon, girl of the 21st century. Katie,
Yeah, it's you.
girl of the 21st century.
Zetus Lapidus.
Zetus Lapidus. What was the boom, boom, boom? Make my heart go zoom, zoom. My supernova girl.
Or should I say the beginning of your future?